Hello, Zlakin here to show you the Hyperbird coloring that I'm going to be working on here. And what I'm going to be working with is I'm going to be working with the yellow marker. And then the orangish yellow type marker. And then the light blue marker. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is take a little bit of orange and put a little blend into the clouds. I'm using light colors here. Using light colors, and right here it's an airplane above. That's at least several thousand feet in the air, flying over some land. But I'm just drawing in right here, drawing in some colors. For light colors, for like land down below. Is if there was some land down below, which maybe there would be maybe a stream, like maybe a river about right here, and then maybe some land over here. But go ahead and fill this in. If there was land right here, then I can go ahead and fill a couple of those white spots in. And of course, don't fill all the white spots in, maybe just a couple of them. And you can see here, get that side. And then after that, and then take the yellow marker, and then right here are some clouds, and maybe just lightly go ahead and blend some yellow in right there for the clouds to give it that sky high type color. So you get some yellow down here underneath. See the part of this cloud, and then put some blends of yellow right here with a little blend of gray, stripes of gray. Some yellow right here, and then some yellow right here on this cloud. And this right here. And then right down here on this cloud, go ahead and put some yellow. And then right here on this cloud, go ahead and put some yellow in. On the edges, it'll probably be good to go ahead and make it darker, so that way it'll kind of light up the the little bit of the picture. You put a little blend on the edges, so it'll kind of blend in with the color. See, here's darken and fill some of these spots, these white spots in with the yellow towards the middle of the cloud. And then go ahead and get this cloud here. And then right up here will be like part of the sky. What we can do is go ahead and shade some yellow right in here for the sky. Shade some yellow right in there, and then after that, and then go ahead and put some blend of blue right in there. And then take the blue and then go ahead and blend a little bit of blue right in there, just to kind of make it look more like a sky background. Yeah, if the plane will be traveling, you know, above the sky, it will kind of give it that color. And then after that, and then go ahead and see here, take the orange, and then go ahead and put like some squiggly lines about right here for, you know, a little bit more of the sky. And then after that, and then see here, take the blue, and that lightly, you know, put a little bit blend of blue right here on the sky. Make it look like a cloud and land type mix. So you put a blend of blue right here. Not a whole lot, you know, just a little blend of it. Kind of fill up those white spots. You put some blend of blue right in here, and then put a little bit of blend right here, and then right here around the plane, go ahead and put some blue right in here to fill up some of the white spots around the wing. See here, get closer. See, fill this part right here up around the wing. Yeah, go ahead and put some shades of light blue right in here for the Hyperbird airplane. Right here on the back wing. And then right here on the left side, and put some blends of light blue right in there. And then right here, you know, there's some a little bit of blue of white right in here. We go ahead and maybe put a little bit of blend of blue, but right here, and then go ahead and put some blends of blue right there to kind of color that in. Fill in some of the white spots down there. And go ahead and do the same thing to this side here. Fill up some of the white spots with the blue right in there. And then right here will be the engines. Fill up a little bit of the white spots with the blue. And, you know, of course, you know, maybe make it a little darker, I guess, for like you know, seeing if it were going, you know, above land, or, you know, above the clouds, you know, make it look a little bit more like sky. Fill in a little bit of the white spots on this side, you know, maybe a little darker, and then a little lighter. And then after that, see, you got the left and then the right, and then go ahead and fill up a little bit of the white spots on the wing. Go ahead and get this part of the wing right here. And then go ahead and get this part of the wing right here. Fill up some of these white spots around the wing.